The question why we sleep seems like an obvious one. There are many reasons that we sleep. We sleep because we are tired, but I'm interested in that question at a deeper level. I'm interested in a hormone that's involved in the sleep process, and this hormone is called melatonin. So the hypothesis in my lab is that melatonin, because it's released at night and it goes everywhere in the body and can have wide-ranging function, may have some function in the brain. And so one of those functions may be in increasing brain cell growth. Particularly behavioral questions, we do a lot of work. When I say I really mean we, because as I'll say later, my students do the vast majority of the physical hands-on labor. The punchline for what we've studied so far is that when we treat these cells with melatonin, indeed, these neurites grow, and they grow at about twice the rate that they grow when the cells are untreated. And this suggests to us that maybe what melatonin is doing at night in these hippocampus-like cells in the crustacean, and perhaps in us as well, is help to solidify memories that we've had during the day. Our next question is then, we know that melatonin is enhancing these neural connections, so how is it doing this inside the cell? And you have these in all of your cells, and they're called molecular clocks, and they're ticking away. And so that's what we're studying now, is the molecular basis, and we're at the very beginning of this study. The most important part of my research is the students themselves. I've been working with students forever. I have Colby students who work with me during the academic year, during the summer, and also during a Jan plan. These are some of my more recent publications just in the past 5 years or so. And in blue are student co-authors. And students have always been an integral part of my research at Colby. It's the reason that I do research, really.